Okay, so hopefully the phone doesn't fall over. Anyway, so now we're gonna make popcorn with this popcorn maker. Up here,
I'm excited.
they say you can put butter in here while the popcorn's popping. It's supposed to melt. I'm not doing all that, but I think you also use this as the measuring cup. I read the directions.
I'm excited.
We're using organic popcorn.
Yeah, we're using organic popcorn.
Mm-hmm.
Organic popcorn, guys.
And okay, so I'm gonna fill it up. Something like that to that line, okay? And then we're going to, I believe the popcorn goes in here, obviously, duh. Yeah, so this does come off, but I'm not taking it off. So I think I can pour this in there. Look, that worked. Pour it now, put that back up so the popcorn won't pop up. There you go.
Yeah, guys, we're eating good.
So I'm gonna pick the phone up now so you can see. It's like an air fried popcorn. Look at there's still right there. So we're gonna see what happens. Don't know how long it takes. Is it hot air? Yeah, it's hot air. See it popping? That is warm. It actually feels like a hair dryer. Kind of weird. Let me turn it.
Whoa, look at it make popcorn.
We're gonna see what it does. Well, it's supposed to get hot. It's popcorn, so it's gonna pop. I don't know. We'll see. Right. Gonna turn to little popcorns, I guess.
That turns off now.
Oh, there, look, I can smell it. There it is.
Oh my God.
There it goes.
I can smell it. Oh my God. Oh, I can smell it too.
Yeah, look at that.
It's popping up.
Don't touch it. It's
Did
coming.
you see it?
Yeah. Whoa.
Oh my God.
Isn't that
Look,
pretty?
it's almost going in here. Look at it.
I see it.
Oh my God.
Popcorn is awesome, huh?
It's going up.
Oh, look at all that.
It's popping up. And, oh my God. It's going to be full of popcorn.
I hope the bowl's big enough.
It's a lot of popcorn. A lot of popcorn.
Uh-oh. That's quite a bit of popcorn. From that little bitty. Oh, here it comes. That's it. Okay, so that's when you know it's done. There you go. No.
Oh my God, oh my God.
Okay, there we go. There's a couple. Woo! Woo! Still popping. I guess. Hold on, let's see. Those little ones, nah, those not gonna make it. But isn't that cool? There's your popcorn. What? They did it again.
Oh my God!
Maybe it'll pop it all. Let's try it one more time. Or it's gonna jump it out. I think it might burn it. Now let's see what happens. It's gonna pop. It's gonna pop. Oh well. Okay. Our popcorn is done.
It didn't pop.
It didn't. We're done. Alrighty. There's our lovely popcorn. It's beautiful.